Okay, YouTube, jwsolarusa. In today's video, I just want to show you what's happening here with the system. After I've been dialing the system to get the proper tune-up, guys, I've been doing a lot of stuff behind the scene you guys don't even know on camera. But right now, if you look at the state of charge, it tells about 87. We don't have sun today. No intermittent weather and on and off, nothing. And guys, this is what the system is still. We produce about what? This is a bad weather, over a kilowatt. Yeah, so just having some showers of rain. And guys, this is the system, and you see where we started. In 2 days, we were 100%. In 2 days, we started this morning at 92%. Okay, for the second day. So this is the amp hours we already took from the batteries, which is a 14. This is a 14 amp hours. And what I did, we're still testing the MIDNITE Classic 250, and if you can see it here, the Classic 250 is running, and we're making a little bit power there, here and there. And guys, so I dialed up the state of charge. I was working on it pretty hard to see. There was something like a cap that was holding the thing not to go get a proper or complete charge, the amp hours. So I figured out something on the mate here that was I didn't set up. I forgot that part and I just put it in. That's gonna be on the next video, and that changed the entire ball game. So what's happening right now? I have a freezer and a fridge and a rice cooker running right now. We are just pulling that 610 watt. That's what we're pulling right now. You can see what's coming in here is not indicating because of the OUTBACK is not connected. The OUTBACK is not in place, so it's not going to tell you what's coming in. It tells you what's going out. Okay, so that's why you don't see that, because the MIDNITE Classic doesn't talk the same with the OUTBACK, so you can't even plug it in there. So it's just bad news. So if someone is expecting something like that, it doesn't work that way. Okay, so we still put in some power. It's really cloudy outside, and this is what we're doing. The rice cooker, I will take you to the kitchen and take a look at it. So we dropped from that before. We started at 92, and at 4 something before I plug in the rice cooker. We are now at the minimum right now is showing at 87. So it's showing the current status here is 87%. So it's about 5% total we already took from 2 days to current. So let me take you to the kitchen so you can take a look. It's really awesome the way everything works. Okay, stay tuned. Like and subscribe to the channel. jwsolarusa, live in Minnesota. Live here at jwsolarusa. This is the refrigerator, freezer. They're all running. You can hear it's all stuck. A lot of food, chicken, fish, meat, and greens and whatever other stuff in there, veggies. So guys, stay tuned. As you can see here, more food in here in the fridge. Here goes the rice cooker. It's cooking right now. Turn the light on here. Maybe you can have clear. Oh, that's just glare. So it's cooking, and slow cooker. So guys, It's doing its thing. It's all solar. Can see the light indicate right there. We are not plugged into that grid. You see, nothing. So the rice is doing its thing. You can see the light there. And my old and faithful guy right here, deep freezer, it's running. And let me show you here. I don't know if you can see it. There's a light that I see it blinking. You see that? It's on. It's running and it's warm. Tells it's running. This guy, water dispenser, is running. You see a light right there, the LED. Right now it's cycling. It's resting till I started pouring some water out, taking water out of it. Then it's gonna bring more new water into the reservoir. So guys, everything seems to be cool. It's okay. Here are the conditions outside, and you guys, you can see it's 82 degrees right now, and but the wind is blowing. It seems to be, I think we're going down up to 62 tonight. Oh boy, the breeze really feels good. Yeah, but these are the conditions, and guys, we pull in that power, and these are how everything does look like. It's past 1600 hours right now, right here in Minnesota with the JW Solar USA. Thanks for watching. And here is the command center. Well, I'll leave you in the hands of the command center right here. And this is what I've done, and the OUTBACK is still here. OUTBACK is sitting right on the desk in the command center room while we're trying the MIDNITE solar. Take care. Bye.